Hi guys! For today's Instructable, we'll be making one of those Jello gelatin flowers. You've probably seen those before. Well, here we just have a bowl of crystal clear gelatin. It's made by Dr. Edgar. You've seen on a previous picture. There's a Polish brand. Since it's an international company, I believe it should be available internationally. If not, you can use like lemon Jello, something that's as clear as possible with a slightest tint, like this one. I tried to make these before, but I didn't use milk like everybody else does. So I had crystal clear petals which were basically invisible in the other gelatin. So today, instead of using milk, because as you've seen, the effect is quite nice, but the taste is so-so. If you ever tried milk with gelatin, it's edible, but I would say it's far from good. So my idea is to use these canned fruits, blend them to a fine smoothie, add gelatin. Since we have 425 milliliters, it should be the perfect proportion. Normally Jello gelatin in a packet like this calls for 500 milliliters of water, but since the juice is slightly acidic, I would think it might have a problem setting if we have it dissolved that much. So we'll just use a little bit less liquid in proportion to the gelatin. It should set just fine. So without much ado, let's get on with the work. Now I'll be making both the red one and the blue berries. I think the blue might look nicer. Maybe later we'll also try the other one. Beautiful. Okay, perfectly smooth. We'll just need to heat it up now and dissolve our Jello. We'll use cherry Jello gelatin. So I'll just heat this up and I'll see you in a minute once the Jello is fully dissolved. Okay, ideal. So to start off with, it's good to make a small dimple in the center. I had this small half teaspoon measurement spoon, but to take out a nice dimple in the middle, it's best to heat this up. Okay. And as you can see, ideal. So we can start. I'm just trying to make a better setup. It would be nice if I can elevate this like this. Let's do it like this. So we got our syringe with a dark Jello. So the extra Jello that flows out collects in this opening and we can suck it back up. And we can continue our design. See that? And to make petals, you just inject the syringe, move it to the side, and then fill it with a Jello. And then collect the excess again. So now I'll show you how you can use these ready pedals to make the job easier. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Later, to release the Jello dome from the bowl, you just put it in some hot water, flip it over onto a plate, and it's ready. So I hope you like this short tutorial and that you vote for it on my Instructables contest named Flowers. It runs till the end of this month, I think. It's a pretty cool project and quite easy. You can try it with your kids at home. Take care, and of course, like, subscribe, share, and watch out for my new movies.